If you have recently gone through knee replacement or planning for it, then this is the perfect video for you to get knowledge about post-operative first 3 weeks knee rehab physiotherapy program. So stick to the video and consider to subscribe us for upcoming videos. When you start experiencing severe knee pain or severe knee arthritis, then your doctor suggests you for the knee replacement, which plays a major role for knee pain relief and restoring your knee function. So now we will see multiple exercises and techniques which will help you in pain modulation and to gain mobility, flexibility and strengthening after your knee replacement. This is our first 3 week post knee replacement rehab program. So let's see one by one. So post knee replacement, if you are experiencing any kind of swelling with pain, then you can apply ice on your knee.
Apply an ice pack to your knee. Wrap the ice pack in a thin towel so it's not too cold. Using an ice pack helps reduce pain and inflammation.
To get relief from swelling, there is other technique which is compression wrap. A compression wrap for knee replacement is used to reduce post-operative swelling and provide support to the surgical area after a total knee replacement surgery. Use it as per recommendation of your doctor. In this series, our first exercise is ankle pump to avoid deep vein thrombosis. Sit on your bed in a comfortable position and for support you can use pillow or your hand behind you to take support of it. Now gently flex your feet towards you and return back to the initial position. This is an ankle mobility exercise. You can hold the movement to create a stretch in your calf muscle. You can perform this exercise for 3 to 5 times in a day and 3 sets at an individual time with 10 to 12 repetition each set. Now our second exercise is patella or kneecap mobilization. Move your kneecap or patella in upward direction, downward direction, side by side and in oblique direction. This mobilization helps you to improve your joint range of motion and alleviate pain. Our third exercise is knee flexion passive.
Sit on the floor and wrap a towel around your foot. Pull the towel gently to flex your knee. Keep your knee relaxed during the movement. Return to your initial position. This is a knee mobility exercise.
Our fourth exercise of this series is inner range quadriceps line.
Lie down on your back with a rolled up towel under your knee. Squeeze your thigh muscles and lift your heel while you press your knee against the towel. Slowly return to your initial position.
Our fifth exercise is knee flexion in supine position.
Slide your heel towards your hip. Move within your comfortable range, then return to the initial position. This is a knee mobility exercise.
Our last exercise is static quadriceps contraction in sitting position.
Sit down on the floor. Squeeze the front of your thigh muscles so that your leg naturally straightens slightly. Hold this position and relax.
If you found this video useful for yourself, then please do consider to subscribe us and like the video. Thank you so much.